Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you something cool that I got in the mail from my friend Jody. So Jody sent me a set of her December collection. It's from her latest video, the one that launched today. If you're watching this with me, I am filming this on the 24th of November 2025. And so this is one of her first collections that she's done. And I am going to show you what's inside. So let's switch my camera really quick. I can show you everything going on the mat here. There we go. Okay. So I might need to raise up a little bit. Okay, let's see here. There we go. All right, so just peeking out here. I love getting mail from friends. It makes me really happy. Oh my gosh, look at how cool this is. So I think this might be a present for me. Let's start with the collection. So this is Jody's December favorites. And again, I'm going to link her video in the description, guys. She has already put a video out that shows this collection and gives you ideas, right? But here's everything that's inside. Oh, I'm going to love this one. I already jumped right to that. But let's take a look. How cute. So these, I've played with these before. I love these so much. They're really fun. So one of my friends recently needed them for a project she was doing for her classroom. And so I gave all of the ones I had away. And so I'm really glad to have another set of these little snowflakes because my boys like doing these too. These are fun for like the whole family. These aren't just for like our skilled beaders. These are fun for like beginners and just people coming over for the holidays to visit to make their own ornament. So really fun to use those. Oh, and I see some great colors in here. Look at this. Okay. Oh, they're triangles. Oh, I do love triangles. And what a great size of tube. I like this. This is really good. Okay, so this is a golden green emerald. Sorry about the focus there. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's cute. Let's see what's next here. Yeah, love wooden beads. Can you imagine? You could make kind of a serenity design with this. Let's take a look at this one just together here. I'm going to need to get a bead sorter. One of the ones that like Becky and Jenny use. So this is cool. I feel like I could make, kind of a yoga inspired, just relaxing theme. Oh my goodness, look at these beads. How cool are those? That's so unique. And these are gemstones, guys. Oh my gosh, with the succulent. How cute that is. That's so pretty. Oh wow, look at these. That's so pretty. Oh, and you get a clasp too. Okay, so this is definitely like, I'll have no trouble designing with this. This is going to be just so easy to it's going to pop itself together, honestly. So I cannot wait to work with this. I'm going to clear the mat really quick. Next up, I have a collection of pearls. These are beautiful. Oh, these are really nice. So holidays and pearls, they really go together. They really do. Oh, and these little stars. Okay, check this out. We could do something with these as well together. I wonder if that was the idea, was to combine them. I need to go and see what she put together. Oh, okay, so these all together. Look at them. How pretty is that? Hold those up a little closer. Oh, let me get my bright light. Sorry about that. I didn't have my bright light going. These are so gorgeous. Okay, love these. Love these so much. I think it's such a neat way to package your jewelry. It makes it extra special. Or, I mean, your beads. And look at this collection. Okay, so this is exactly what you need to do the forms. To just make a bunch of really gorgeous little stars for your ornament making. This is probably enough to do all of these, I bet. But I wonder if, gosh, you know what? Even if so I definitely need to make myself a very fancy bracelet with this collection that I showed first. But I'm thinking I can even have a little bit of leftover beads there to do a small kind of earth feeling ornament. It'd be so cool. So this is a great collection, guys. I just wanted to show you really quick the unboxing, but I'm going to try to see if maybe I can get the gals together and we can all just jump on a live and do some design on the fly, maybe an ornament party here coming up in December. If you want to play along, I'll drop a link to one of this whole kit is available on Jody's shop. And she has, her new shop is called String Theory, guys. String Theory Beads, which is a cute little name. So she's got that going over there on her site. And I'm going to scoop these all up and save them to see if I can maybe convince the gals to come on. And then I did also purchase an extra set, which I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So be on the lookout. I think I'll probably do that in my next Seed Bead Saturday, just so, you know, a free kit going out there for you guys to maybe win and join us for this little bead party. All right, so here's everything again. I just want to put it all back on the mat and show you. And this one, these were packaged separately, but I just kind of put them together because I already know I'm doing something together with this gorgeous collection here. Let's just look at those. I just keep staring at them. Sorry about the plastic, but that's ready to go for me. And a creative idea that just jumped right in my head. So stay tuned, and thanks for tuning in for this short little update, and I'll see you for the next one.